reactive. 3 inspections, 1 in central area, it's an hospital. The second is a residential home in Lupe, and the third is a boarding school in Kwali after Kwakoladaye. So I'll put you through on how we do things. The one in Kwali will be installing an industrial water heater. So I'm going there to look at the provisions.
Oh, too many man carry fire, chasing me, racing me, disturbing me. They said I was done, make I retire, but I'm blazing that no one believe. And I can't pretend something they cover me.
I always move with my
they follow me.
This is my baby.
Yes, me and my amigo. And I want to say, stand well if you come for me. Oil in my head, my body and soul. Stress free, I'm stuck in my throat. Oh.